Hey guys, here's a video on how to do some equation editing and superscript subscripts in Google Drive Docs. So essentially you're going into Google Drive, okay, and you're going to go to create and you want to create a new document. So it's going to open up, it looks like a Word document. I want to do a kinematic equation, v2 squared equals v1 squared plus 2ad. So what I will do is go to Insert, Equation. Okay, so there's a bit of a toolbar right here that shows you some options. First thing I want to do is v2 squared. So I'm going to pick this right here, and I'm going to go v. I'll hit the tab button, which gives me the subscript. 2, hit it again, it gives me the superscript. Hit tab again, it goes back down. Hit my equals on the keyboard. Now I want to do v1 squared, so I go back to this one, choose, the exact same thing we just had. V, tab, one is my subscript, hit tab again, there's my superscript, hit tab again, I go back down, I'm just going to use the keyboard to go plus 2, A, D. And I click off to the side and there's my kinematic. If I want to highlight it, let's go to 36 point, there we go. Okay, so there's a kinematic equation. If you want to write something like acceleration equals 9.8 meters per second squared, just on the keyboard, A equals 9.80 meters per second. So that's right off the keyboard. Now I want to make a superscript for my seconds format. Here we go. Superscript 2. Okay, so we've got our two equations there. Next thing I want to do is say insert a picture. So I go insert, I can go to drawing, get my drawing toolbar come up. I'm just going to draw, let's just say it's a little free body diagram. So we can go like this, just make some lines. Okay, not the best. I want to put in some text, so I'll go in the middle, and let's just say that this is 1.20 kilograms. Okay, it's not very big. So we can go to font size, and let's make that a little bit bigger. Let's highlight it, make it a little bit bigger. So 30 point. If you want to move it, just use your keyboard controls up and down. Okay, it's more or less centered. And let's say I want to put some vector arrows on it. Maybe it's like a free body diagram. So here we go. Here's my arrow down. Here's my arrow up. Okay, so there we go. We've got our nice little diagram, and let's just say save and close. And when you save and close it, it will automatically throw it into your Google Doc. A little bit too big, so I can just grab the corner and make it a little bit smaller. And be able to edit to whatever shape you want. Now you've inserted your picture, but you realize you forgot to put on the force vectors for gravity and the normal. So if you click edit, you can go right back in, and once again you can do things like get your text box out, you can type in FG, you can write in what the value it's going to be, and then when you've done all of those things you can click your save and close, and you'll be back in your document with all of the alterations that you needed.